Today I'm here with my good friend Zach, and
hello, it's good to be here.
It's nice to be here with you too. Alright, so we just got our new dunk tank in. Had it delivered and it made it on time. Get it home and set it up sometime or at the next event, because it's got cool features to it that our old one didn't. So I'll show you that sometime in the future, but let's get back and see what else is going on around home. Oh, it's back there, by the way. Oh, guys. Oh, you're behind me. Hello. So we're in Lerna again. The world's fastest soda pop machine. Did you have stuff for it? One.
Oh, do you have
two.
a quarter?
Oh.
I got 50 cents.
I got $1. Got lots of dollars.
I have $1 spot.
We'll get 25 cents. Police is plugged in and making noises. A 1. A 2.
They just lost it.
A 3. It went away forever.
Try a different quarter.
Oh no, it's not over.
Is that one going?
Hello?
Really?
I don't think it works anymore, guys.
Oh, that one went in the hole.
I don't think it worked anymore.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Disappointment is high. Do we get a quarterback at least? You can do it.
My fingers are fat. You got skinnier fingers.
Man, this machine's got a high pay rate return right now. Oh, wow, that was easy. All right, so if you come here over, we're here in April. No, this is May 1st. This is May 1st. If you come here, it's broke right now, so be careful. Your money will disappear. What you doing?
Huh?
What you doing?
Getting changed.
What for?
That machine.
Oh, you can't see it from over here.
Oh. Ooh, a tractor. Oh. Hopefully there's enough room for him to get through. He's kind of wide. I'm sure he'll stop.
I think you'll fit.
Hello, Mr. Tractor. He made it. All right. Watch out for traffic. Look both ways.
I have a quarter in my truck. My truck ain't.
Oh, bummer. Where's she going? It's a gentle walk over here. Oh, pull.
I think it's good.
Well,
Nope, they're not good.
it's okay. That's a blue tire swing.
This is
Or
very
teal.
Teal.
Teal. Don Piercy Auto Repair Electric.
Does this one work?
Something good. Well, if you're gonna drink it, then go. Oh, it's got an opener.
Ooh.
It's fast.
Bye, friends.
Alright, so I just swapped dad trucks and I'm on my way to Champaign to Blains Farm Fleet to look at pressure washers or
US
something.
36 West.
I don't really remember. But then we're going to another Connecticut dealer to get rid of some inventory and pick up some other stuff.
Continue on US 36 West for 1.5 miles.
And then we'll be heading to Mount Zion to drop off some tables and back over to Charleston. It has turned into a rainstorm. It's wonderful. Oh. Snip, snip. Whip. Oh, you're coming with me. Gator. Rawr. Yay. Oh, when did it turn into a clothing store? Oh no. How do I get out of here? Still looking for the exit. Oh. 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 Just left the Connecticut dealer and I'm on my way to Mount Zion. That's a really tall tower and it's all concrete. At least it looks like concrete. Okay, here we go. Alrighty, got the tables delivered. Hello. And now we're back to Charleston. Well, heading back to Charleston. We're not there yet.